Hello everyone, welcome back to channel again. This is Cloud Institution, the best cloud training institution in Bangalore. So today in this video, we're going to see another very important and interesting interview question today. And this particular question I just faced in my in my previous interviews. Okay, so this question is really important. Okay, please check it out carefully. So how many IP addresses are reserved for each subnet in VPC? Okay, so interviewer is trying to understand from you is that like how many IP addresses I will be getting for each subnet. Okay, for example, if you're if you're having a subnet with the /28 range, okay, so you'll be having a 16 IP addresses, right? So out of that, how many IP addresses you can use? Okay, so in the subnet, if you have 16 IP addresses, or are you able to use all the 16 IP addresses for your infrastructure? No, right? So some of the IP addresses will be reserved for networking purpose. The AWS will be reserved for reserve some kind of IP addresses from that particular subnet for the networking and DNS purposes. Okay, so in that case, how many IP addresses will that so AWS will be uh, reserved for each subnets. Okay, so the answer is in VPC subnet, AWS reserves 5 IP addresses for the network management and routing and DNSs, and leaving remaining addresses available for your resources. Okay, so for example, so if you have a /16 IP addresses, 16 CADR range, then you should be so the 5 IP addresses will be reserved for the networking, so networking, routing, management, DNS, and all these things. Okay, so you'll be getting only 11 IP addresses. Okay, that's pretty simple. Okay, so that is another reason why you won't be able to create any other IP address range less than /28. Okay, because the /28 is having a range of s- you know uh, range of 16 IP addresses, right? So if you go for another next range, that range is going to be /29 is going to be having 8 IP addresses, right? So out of which the AWS itself will use the 5 IP addresses from there. So you can get only 3 IP addresses remaining. Okay, so that is not going to be really helpful for you to create infrastructure with that particular ranges. Okay, so that is the reason why AWS will not allow any IP addresses less than /28. So CIDR range. So what I mean is CIDR range less than 28. Okay, that is the answer for this question. Okay, so please note on this question, guys. So because this question I faced in my real-time interview. So the interviewer asking me like how many reserve IP addresses will be having in the AWS. Okay, so yeah, so that's it about this video, and I hope this video was really helpful for you to crack the interview. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm going to see you again in the next video.